Let's look at ways to get pets data into a spreadsheet. Each of the Stream Properties Flash tabs has data that can be copied and pasted into a spreadsheet. Double-click the grid's upper left corner to select all the values. Use the Control-C keyboard shortcut to copy or use the Edit Copy menu. Paste into an open spreadsheet using Control-V or the Edit Paste menu. Data grid column headers are copied along with the data. Single or multiple rows may be selected by clicking a single row or by using Control or Shift and clicking multiple rows. The Steam Tables tool works the same. Double-click the grid's upper left corner to select all the values. Copy, then paste. ASTM Conversions works the same. Double-click the grid's upper left corner to select all the values. Copy, then paste. Pump Curve works the same. Double-click the grid's upper left corner to select all the values. Copy, then paste. Rigorous Heat Exchanger. Double-click the grid's upper left corner to select all the values. Fittings equivalent lengths is different from the others. First, print the tool to a text file. Then, import the text file into the spreadsheet. In the Print dialog box, check Print to File. Print and save the file. From the spreadsheet's Data menu, select Get External Data and From Text. Open the file. The Text Import Wizard allows you to choose how to import the data. Fixed width data is the way to go. Set the field widths by moving and creating column breaks. Scroll down to see the important data when setting the column breaks. The general data type works well. Place the data on the sheet. Clean up data that does not import the way you want it. Thank you for watching. Visit processengineeringtools.com for more videos, a free trial, or to purchase.